Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach class 7 English grammar chapter 7. Name of the chapter is phrase. Some part of it I have taught you before. What is phrase? Noun phrase, adjective phrase, all these I taught you before. Today I am going to teach you adverb phrase and more. An adverb phrase is a group of words in which the main word is an adverb and which forms a part of a sentence. The term is called an adverb phrase. Adverb phrase is a group of words. The main word is an adverb and it forms a part of sentence. It acts as an adverb in a sentence. It tells us more about a verb. Adverb phrase acts as an adverb and tells us more about verb. Example: Arjun ran fast. Here fast is adverb. Arjun ran with great speed. With great speed is adverb phrase. In the first sentence, fast is an adverb. In the second sentence, the adverb fast is replaced by a group of words with great speed without changing the meaning of the sentence. Thus, it is an adverb phrase. Fast is adverb and in second sentence it is a group of words which tells the meaning of fast, which acts like adverb. It is an adverb phrase. Now let us see some examples of adverb and adverb phrases. Rudely. It is an adverb. Adverb phrase in a rude manner. Carelessly. Adverb. Adverb phrase without any care. Hopefully. Adverb with a lot of hope. Stealthily. Adverb with caution in a stealthy manner. Tenderly. Adverb. Adverb phrase in a tender manner. Softly. Adverb. Adverb phrase with softness or in a soft manner. Unknowingly. Adverb without any knowledge. Everywhere. Adverb. Adverb phrase in all places. Now let us learn about kind of adverb phrase. There are different kinds of adverb phrases. Adverb phrases of manner, adverb phrases of place, and adverb phrases of time. An adverb phrase of manner tells us how an action is done. Adverb phrase of manner tells us how an action is done. It replies the question how. For example, the carpenter closed the cabinet with a bang. With a bang replies the question how carpenter closed the cabinet. So it is adverb phrase of manner. She cracked the walnut with a hammer. How she cracked the walnut? With a hammer. So it is adverb phrase of manner. An adverb phrase of place tells us where an action is carried out. An adverb phrase of place tells us where an action carried out. Example: the children are playing in the garden. Where the children are playing? In the garden. Elephants are found in Africa and India. Where are elephants found? In Africa and India. In the garden, in Africa and India. These are adverb phrase of place. An adverb phrase of time tells us when an action is carried out. When an action is done, it replies the question when. Adverb phrase of time replies the question when. I saw him in the morning. When did I see him? In the morning. It replies the question when. In the morning replies the question when. This will take a few minutes. A few minutes in the morning These are adverb of phrase of time. Here you see, in the sentences given below, underline the adverb phrase. He requested in a polite manner. So what is adverb phrase? In a polite manner. I do not have the book at this moment. Here, at this moment. The soldier fought in a brave manner. In a brave manner. Miss Disha narrated the story in an interesting manner. Adverb phrase, in an interesting manner. They dragged the heavy log with a lot of force. With a lot of force. Adverb phrase is with a lot of force. No one knew him in the past. In the past. Adverb phrase is in the past. Keep the puppies with great care. Adverb phrase is with great care. The accused stood in a passive manner listening to the judge. Adverb of phrase is in a passive manner. Today we have learnt about adverb phrase and kinds of adverb phrase. Thanks.